Okay guys, we're going local today. Yes, we're making a native rice dish. We call it village rice. You can also call it palm oil rice or native rice, whatever you choose to. So this rice, regardless of the fact that it is made with palm oil, it tastes so good. Like you would be craving for more of this if you've had it. But before we continue with this video, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. We first start by putting our palm oil into a pan, and we're going to heat it a little bit and throw in some onion. We're sauteing this onion for just a few seconds. You know what onion does to food? It adds to its flavor, and then there's this aroma it gives to with this nice aroma. Then we go in by adding our scotch bonnet pepper. So this one was chopped, finely chopped, and next we go in with crayfish. This is native rice, so palm oil, native rice. When you finish eating this, it will give you that feeling that you're in the village, now. We're going with our shaki, pomo, and goat meat. All these are just chopped or diced in bite-sized pieces. Then we season with our salt and then seasoning cube. Yes, I used a chicken seasoning cube. You stir it and you go in with your rice. So in order not to make this video so long, I already parboiled the rice down. Yes, I cooked it before now. I didn't show you how it was made. I believe you all know how to make this, but if you want me to show you how I boil this rice down, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll make a separate video for this. Okay, and then you give this a thorough mix so that all the ingredients would come in together. You can taste at this point. You taste for seasoning to be sure that it has been well seasoned. You don't want to cook any food that is a food that is bland, because no one would eat it. Okay, we go in with our saint leaf. Yes, we call it inchao in Igbo, and the Yorubas call it, I think, efirin. So you go in with this saint leaf actually takes this whole dish to a whole level entirely, different level entirely. It impacts the flavor profile, like it adds flavor to this food, to this dish. If you don't understand what I mean, you need to ask a Nigerian what saint leaf does to some dishes. When you add saint leaf to some dishes, how the flavor profile is being elevated. That is exactly what it does to this native rice. So at this point, you see, our rice is done and it is ready to be served. See how it looks, so inviting, so yummy, and very tasty. I'm not just saying this because of the video, but guys, it tasted so good, so good. If you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, share, and then ensure you watch this video to the very end. And I would love for you to try this recipe and just tell me how it came out. I would love to know your views. I would love to hear from you what you think about this dish. And you can do well by leaving me a comment of where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out on my next video. I love you guys so much. Yes, so I'll be leaving you at this very point. But before I do, stay safe, be good, and be nice. Till my next video. Bye.